morning, students. My name is M.S. Somshankar from Nilambika Girls School, Siligere. Today, I will continue the lesson that I have taught previous classes. That is the Noble Bishop from 9th standard English. In the first scene, we learned that when the bishop sat near the table, dining table, to have his food at the night, his sister was ready to serve him. By then, a convict enters. He was completely a stranger. So when he entered the house, he explained himself and introduced himself to the family that he was a convict. His name was Jean Valjean and he was 19 years in the galleys. Last 4 days ago, he was set free. Nobody gave him a work or something to eat. So he was starving from last 3 days. He wanted food immediately. So hearing this gentleman, noble bishop, allowed him to sit beside him near the table and gave him the food, a delicious food, and also gave bedding that night to take the rest. But that evil fellow who was 19 years, before he go to bed, he told his story. Why did he go to galleys? He told that 19 years back he lived with his sister and her children. One day she was ill, that there was nothing to eat in their family. The children were starving. He had no work at all, so he stole some bread. So he was sentenced to galleys. But many times he tried to escape. Each time was caught, and his sentence increased so as to be in jail for 19 years. 19 long years because of that. The person did not think about this humanity, a good thing, a good person like bishop. Instead of that, in the middle of the night, he woke up and thought of a silverware that are laid on the table. He slowly, without making voice, went near the dining hall, near the cupboard. He took away all the silverware that he has seen and escaped through the back door of his house. He jumped like a tiger the compound wall, and ran away through the window. This much you have learned. So let's see what will happen in the scene. The scene 1 also happened in the bishop's house. The scene 2 also happened in the bishop's house. Let's see. Convict. Good heavens. The silver is stolen. Baptist time. The silver is stolen. Good heavens. That man who came last night has stolen it. Runs to the clove and comes back. The man has gone. Bishop, with sadness. I have for a long time wrongfully withheld the silver. It belonged to the poor. Who was this man? A poor man, evidently. It belonged to him. So when the early morning, the sun rises, Baptist child, the sister of bishop, woke up and went near the kitchen and also dining table. There she saw the silverwares which were put near there were not seen. That's why she told, good heavens, Ayo Devre, the silver is stolen. The silver is stolen. Velli kadavagide. That man, who is that man? Who came last night? Who is that? Convict. Has stolen it. There is nobody steal it. Who stole it? Who has stolen it? That man who came last night might have stolen it. Runs to the clove and come back. Runs to the clove and come back. The man has gone. The man has The man who came yesterday and had his food and who took a rest, that man was none other than Jean Valjean, a convict. Hearing the surprised words of the Baptistine, her brother Bishop said with sadness, he became very sad. Why? Is it because his silver had stolen? Or is it because the man who has given the food and shelter misused his faith in him? No. He said with sadness, he says, I have for a long time wrongfully withheld this silver. What is that? Instead of angry with the convict, he says, I have for a long time wrongfully withheld it. ಬಹಳ ಅನಾದಿ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲೂ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಎನ್ನ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ವೇರ್. It belonged to the poor. It should not mine. It should belong to the poor. That silverware is not mine. It should belong to the poor. Who was this man? He might be that person. ಪ್ರಾಯಶಃ ಅವನೇ ಸೇರಿದಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಆ ಬಡವನಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಾಂಗ್ಫುಲಿ ವಿಥೋಲ್ಡ್, ನಾನು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Is it really it should belong to that poor man? ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಈ ಬಡವ ಸಂಬಂಧಕ್ಕಿಂತನೋ. So he was sad. Why was that? Because he was wrongfully withheld the silverware. That's why he was sad. It belonged to a poor man evidently. Evidently means ಖಂಡಿತ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಸಮೇತ ಅವನೇ ಬಡವ ಅನ್ಸಬೇಕಿದೆ. He has stolen it. If he was rich, no doubt he would have not stolen it, steal it. If he had stolen it, because he was really in need of it. ಖಂಡಿತ ಅವರ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. It belongs to him. It belongs to him. It is not mine. The silverware is not mine. The silverware belongs to that person. Which person? That person who had stolen it. So while he was telling like this, there was a knock at the door. Somebody knocked at the door. Somebody knocked at the door. Door na knock ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. Bishop says, "Come in." So who is knocking the door? Please come in. Bishop said. Then a servant and a 4 policemen enter with the convict bound. So when he says come in, who came in? A servant. Sevaka. 4 police enters with the convict bound. ಯಾರೊಳಗೆ ಸೇವಕ 4 ಜನ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನರು ಇವನ್ನ ಬಂಧಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಯಾರು ಬಂಧಿಸಿ ಎಸ್ ಕನ್ವಿಕ್ಟ್ ಜೀನ್ ವಾಲ್ಜನ್ ಬಂಧಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಒಳಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಜೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸರ್ಜೆಂಟ್? ಸರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್. ಬಿಷಪ್ we have caught, you wanted to say something dash 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 means you wanted to say something more. Bishop, we have caught dash dash. You might have said this convict thief who had stolen your silver like this. You wanted to say something like that. That's why before he could complete his sentence, Bishop interrupted and said to Jean Valjean, "Ah, there you are. Ah, there you are, Niyalidiya. I am glad to see you, my friend. I am very happy to see you. I have searched throughout my house where you are, but now you are here. I am very happy to see here." He said like this. Sergeant was puzzled hearing the words of the bishop. Actually, Sergeant had caught hold the thief. Who is the thief here? Jean Valjean the convict, and he brought to his home to tell him that they have caught. They want their words, whether it is the silverware belongs to him or not. So he very well knew that it was theft. That silver was theft from the bishop's house. So when he called him friend, he was puzzled. Sergeant puzzled and said, "Friend? How can he become a friend?" Because he caught something in his own house. Bishop to Jean Valjean, but I have given you the candlesticks also. I have given you the candlesticks also. ನನಗೆ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿಯ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ವಾ, ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ ರೆಸ್ಟ್, ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಉಳಿದ ಪಾತ್ರೆಗಳ ತರ ಇವು ಕೂಡ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿಯ ಹಾಗೆ. Why didn't you take them along with these plates? Why did not you take them along with these plates? ಈ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ತಟ್ಟೆಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇವನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಲಿಲ್ಲ? ದೇರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್, ದೇರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Jean Valjean looked at Bishop when he said so. Jean Valjean himself was terrified. A great surprise looked at Bishop with an expression. See, there is an expression in his face when he said, even after he was caught, he said he was his friend. He tried to say that he was not stolen, they were given by him like this to the surgeon. So there was an expression that cannot be described in the words. Surgeon. Then what this man said must be true. Oh, then what this man said must be true. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಹೇಳಿದ ಸತ್ಯ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. He said, Sergeant wants to say dash 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 dash, and it means he wanted to say little more about what the sergeant, what the convict might have said. So Bishop interpreted once again and said, he must have told you how he ಹೇಳಿರಬಹುದು ನಿಮಗೆ. The silverware was given to him by me. He might have told you, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿರಬಹುದು ಆ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಪಾತ್ರೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನೇ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರಬಹುದು, ಹೇಳಿರಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? And that he had spent the night here. ನಾನು ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಪಾತ್ರೆಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೇಳ್ದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದು. And you brought him here. And you brought him here. So why don't you brought him here? He is not a thief at all. He is our guest. He is our friend who stayed in our house last night. So we ourselves have gifted these things to him. It is all a mistake. Oh, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. No, you are making mistake. ನೀವು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. In such a way, the bishop told. Bishop did not got angry with this convict. Instead of that, he saved him from the police by telling a lie. Then sergeant, if that is so, the ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ, so if what you are telling is right, bishop ಅವರ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಸರಿ ಆದರೆ, we can let him go. So we are sorry, we don't know whether he was, we are not thought that it was gifted by you, we thought it has been stolen from you, that's why we are caught, so we are sorry, let him free. They release the convict and leave. They release the convict and leave. L-E-A-V-E-L-I-V. They are called homophones. Leave, left. The tribe leaves. He leaves the house. Leave. We live in Sirigere. We live in the hostel. I live in hostel. He lives in the hostel. Live. ಜೀವಿಸು, ವಾಸಿಸು. Live, ಬಿಡುವುದು, ರಜೆ. Like this. He lives. Who lives? The boy sergeant lives. Releasing the convict. Because the statement made by the bishop made clear he was not a thief. They are not stolen things. They are things gifted to convict by the Jean Valjean. So after his words, his statement, he released him and went away. Then bishop said, my friend, who is my friend here? Yes, Jean Valjean is my friend. Before you go away, you can take these candlesticks. My friend, before you go away, ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ, ಗೆಳೆಯ, ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಂಚೆ you can take these candlesticks. ಈ candlesticks ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗು. They are yours. It's not mine. They are yours. Take them and gives the silver candlesticks. By telling him that line, he gives the candlesticks to convict. Bishop. Now you you may go in peace. Now you may go in peace. P-E-A-C. One more piece is there. P-I-E-C. P-E-A-C. Peace means Shanti. We want peace. I want to live peacefully. P-I-C peace. Here is a piece of chalk. There is a piece of paper. Piece means tundu. Tundu. Like this, they are also called homophones because they both are sounds alike, but they have a different spelling and pronunciation meaning. So you may go in peace. Don't worry. I have given a statement. The police has released you. So you are in the need of these silver things. Take the silver candlesticks also. Now you may go in peace. You can go. Go in peace without any obstacles in our mind, any thoughts in our mind. You can go. By the way, when you come again, if you want to come again to my house, you need not to come through the garden. You need not to come through the garden stealingly or entering through the window. Not like this. If you want to come, whenever you want to come to my house, you can always come in and go out. You can always come in and go out from the front door. Don't come like a thief from the back door or the window or from the garden. So whenever you want to come to my house, you may come and in and go out from the front door, because the front doors of my house are never locked. They are never locked. They are always open. You may come by any time in and any time go out. They are never locked in my house. They are fully open. You can come by this only, not from the back side. Day or night. Whether it is the day or night, always they are kept open. Jean Valjean, my brother, saying this also, he asked the Jean Valjean, my brother, Narasimha Jean Valjean, promise me. But you have to promise me. And he promised model. Promise means, that you would use this silver. So you have to use this silver, to become an honest man. To become an honest man. Will you fulfill the promise? The bishop requested convict after saving him from the police. Here his words touched his heart and mind. Whose heart and mind? Touched the heart and mind of the convict. He says, yes, I will. He sobs. So he started to cry with sad. I feel I am a man again. So initially, 19 years back, he was a man. Now he was a beast, wild animal, because of the treatment and the food that was given in the galleys. They made him a hard man, a man like a hard rock. He has no feelings at all. He said he was a beast, he was not a man at all. Now he says, I am a man again. I am a man again, and not a wild beast. I am not a wild beast. So it means, what does this line show? This line shows that the convict Jean Valjean once again became a man. There was a change, transfer his mind from hard to smooth. It means ಅವರ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಕ್ರೂರಿಯ ಗುಣಗಳು ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾನವೀಯ ಗುಣಗಳು ಬಂದವು. ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಮಾನವೀಯ ಗುಣಗಳಿದ್ದು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನರಿಂದ ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ, ಅವರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಒಂದು ಊಟದಿಂದ, ಅವರ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ, ಅವರ ಗುರುವಿನಿಂದ, ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಇವರ ಒಂದು ಮಾತುಗಳಿಂದ ದ ಕ್ರೂಯಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಎ ರಿಯಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ದ ಕ್ರೂಯಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ರಿಯಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. This is changes, the reformation made by him. He lives. Years rolled by. So many years went off. So year by year, years went off, rolled by. And Jean Valjean led the life of an honest man. Jean Valjean led a life of an honest man, as he had promised to the bishop. Bishop ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮಾತು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ವರ್ಷಗಳಂತ ಬದುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರು. Remembering the bishop's words. Throughout his life, he remembered the bishop's words. What is words? He had sold all the silverware that he had stolen and are given from the bishop. He has stolen everything. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಪತ್ರಗಳು ಮಾರಿದ್ದ. But in the memory of a good ship, except the candlesticks. Except candlesticks. Candlesticks ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ ಬೇರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ. ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ? He kept them with him all his life. Throughout his life, he kept the candlesticks with him only in the memory of the good bishop. Bishop ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿಗಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ. He strove for the cause. He strove for the cause of the oppressed, downtrodden and destitute. Not only he lived, but also throughout his life, he worked for the downtrodden, oppressed, destitute. ತುಳಿತಕ್ಕೊಳಗಾದವರನ್ನ, ಅನ್ಯಾಯಕ್ಕೊಳಗಾದವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಿರ್ಗತಿಕರ ಏಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಶ್ರಮಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಬದುಕುವಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಾದ. Like this, the Jean Valjean, once he was a convict, he became a very good man. Not only a good man, he became to work for the destitute people, oppressed and depressed people. ಕೆಳವರ್ಗದವರ, ತುಳಿತಕ್ಕೊಳಗಾದವರ, ಅನ್ಯಾಯಕ್ಕೊಳಗಾದಂತಹ ಬಡವರನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದ. How is it possible? Not by the police, not by the law, not by the treatment, or not by any punishment. So all these things never change a man. They may suppress some attitudes for a short period, punishment. But the noble words of the bishop has changed this man once again to a fine man, a good man. It shows that as one lies another, with our good qualities, with our good feelings, with our fine words, we can make another finds a good people. ನಮ್ಮ ಒಳ್ಳೆತನದಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ this is the best example. This is the best example. So it's a very beautiful story. I hope you understood well. So go to the questions and try to answer the questions honestly.